Hello friends, in this video we will see how to check the version of PowerShell that is installed on your machine and a demo of executing some basic commands. So to start PowerShell, go to Start, search for PowerShell. You'll get couple of options. You can get Windows PowerShell prompt or you can get Windows PowerShell ISE for 32-bit as well as 64-bit. So ISE is basically the integrated scripting environment. It will give you a scripting editor as well as a prompt, and over here you'll only get a prompt. So let us open the Windows PowerShell. Let's open it as a administrator. I'll also open the ISE to show you how it looks like. So this is the Windows PowerShell ISE. Here you can write your script and you can get your output over here. Let's go to prompt and let's see how to get the version of PowerShell installed on this machine. Now as I am having Windows 7 operating system, let's see which version of PowerShell am I holding. Enter $, then PS VER, hit tab, you get a command as $PS version table, hit enter. So you can see that I am having Windows PowerShell 2.0.5 installed on this machine, basically on this Windows 7 operating system. Currently the latest version of PowerShell is PowerShell 6.0 and this over here shows that this PowerShell is compatible with version 1.0 and version 2.0. In my next videos I'll definitely show you how to upgrade this version of PowerShell on Windows 7 as well as executing commands on PowerShell in Windows 8 or maybe on Windows Server machines. Now let us first clear the screen, hit CLS, enter. You can get a list of commands in PowerShell by hitting the command get -comm. Let's hit enter. Get command is the command. This basically shows you a list of commands that are available with PowerShell version 2.0.5 that I'm having on this machine. There's a big list of commands. The current version has a lot of commands available. Let us try out this get service command. This command will give us the list of services that are available on this operating system. When we hit get -service, let us hit tab to make sure the command is correct. Yes, it is correct. And hit enter. So this command has given me the list of all the services that are running on this machine as well as their status, that is whether it is running state or in stop state, with their names and their descriptions. I hope you learned a few things from this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with friends, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.